copy of that? Oh, no, I'm sorry.
Alright. Got one more there. Alright, I got one more. Sorry. Okay. What actually like brings y'all? Oh, you want one? I can't give you that one because he told me to tell her that, so. What's your question?
I thought you would like asking for a topic.
Oh, you want to go? What you got?
Big bird standing in the line.
What?
Yes. Go for it.
Big bird standing in the line.
Yes.
Big bird food stamps that one is like?
Big bird standing in the line getting food stamps.
Oh.
Hey, Obama won. That means Big Bird is still in. So we got, see what I'm saying?
You can follow my time like that. Alright, let's see if I can do it. What's your name? Leon. Big bird. Food stamps. Line. Make sex. I'm looking for a green light.
I mean, go for it. Yeah. I'm curious. Just.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 food stamps. They call me Big B. Standing 8 foot tall, high. Don't let it get misconstrued or twisted with what I do. I'm at your neighborhood Kroger just like you. Stop eyeballing my facade. Food stamps swiping the card. What's my code? Don't worry about it. Stop asking my zip code because I too still have not found Sesame Street. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 food stamps that I'm gonna slide to you on the low. Ain't nobody really gotta know, but if you got some cash, I can give it to you on the low.
Oh, Lord.
I can get you with that 2 for 10, 40 for 100. Food stamps for the slide. They call me Big Bird, Big B. Standing 8 foot tall, hiding your favorite tree. I have a whole gang of critters that rolls with me. Hence why I'm on food stamps. Because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 baby birds that hang in my tree. Daddy to the streets. Sesame, that is. Smooth as a mellow jazz tone flame. But we in this Kroger line. And all I really got is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 food stamps. Play it, I hold 5.